Welcome back to BC Mortgage Insider. I'm Anthony, your licensed mortgage broker. Today, we're asking the question, why should you use a mortgage broker instead of going directly to your bank for your products? If you're buying a home or refinancing anywhere in British Columbia, you probably wonder, should I go through my bank or use a mortgage broker? Today, I'll explain why using a broker can open more doors to you, save you money, and give you the flexibility your bank won't. When you walk into a bank in BC, you sit across one lender. That person only sells their products with a set of rates and a set of rules. If your income is based on rental, self-employed, or you're a split between business and T4, they might just say no because your situation does not fit their box. A bank represents the bank itself. A mortgage broker represents you, what a broker actually does. A mortgage broker has access over 50 plus lenders. Banks, credit unions, monoline lenders, and even private funds. That means that we shop your file to find the best rate, the best structure, with the term that match your files and your goals, not the banks. You don't pay us. We're paid by the lenders after the deal is funded. So you get professional services, comparison shopping, and advice designed to protect you and not lock you in. Why rate isn't everything. Lowest rate doesn't always mean lowest cost. Banks often attach restrictive terms that makes it expensive to break in early, especially with the interest rate differential penalties. As a broker, we compare the total cost, including the flexibilities, portabilities, and refining options. In a market like BC, where people often refinance or move before their term, flexibility can be worth tens of thousands of dollars, which we all know is very precious. Let's make a real example. Two homeowners, both in the Greater Vancouvers, both with $700,000 mortgage. One goes through their bank at a 4.89 fix. The other one works with a broker and get a 4.59 with a 2020 prepayment options and a fair penalty structures. Over 5 years, that difference can mean more than $10,000 saved, plus the freedom of refinancing or move without being trapped. One bank still works. If you got a perfect profile and a long relationship with your bank, you might get a good offer. But for most in British Columbia, especially investors, newcomers, business owners, a broker gives you more leverage, more options, and better advice. We help you see the full market, not just one window. Before signing with your next mortgage, get a second opinion. 15 minutes with a BC broker can show you what your bank didn't mention